Good day, I am John Michael Yagas. Today, I will demonstrate the proper standard procedure in using and returning drafting tools and materials. Before we start, we need to select the tools and the materials that we use in the activity. First, we need a T-square, triangle, compass, masking tape, HB pencil, eraser, towel, and A4 bond paper. Next, we need to clean the table. And next, the tools we will use. After that, we need to clean our hands before we start. Before we start, we need proper handling and use of drawing tools. And now, I will demonstrate the proper handling and reuse of tools. If you have mistake, this is the proper use of eraser. And last, follow the standard procedure while working. And now, check all the tools and return it to the tool keeper. After the activity, we need to submit your finished work to the assigned instructor. And last, we need to clean our workstation and turn off the equipment. This ends my demonstration. Thank you.